नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्ट्रेटजिक ब्रेन्स पर आपका स्वागत है। आज हम मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के एक महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक ओपन इकोनॉमी और क्लोज इकोनॉमी का एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन और आंसर देखेंगे। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन ए क्लोज इकोनॉमी which component of GDP become the sole driver of demand fluctuation? Option A exports, option B import, option C domestic spending, option D foreign investment. The correct answer is option C domestic spending drive a demand since no trade occurs. Next question is, open economy with high import dependency is most vulnerable during option A domestic recession, option B global price shock, option C politic election, option D currency appreciation. The correct option B global price shock. High import reliance make global price shocks harmful. If demand of the foreign currency increases while supply remains constant, the domestic currency will option A appreciate, option B depreciate, option C remain unchanged, option D strengthen temporarily. The correct answer is option B. Higher demand of the foreign currency weakens domestic currency. The next question is, which of the following is not a source of foreign currency supply for India? Option A export, option B FDI, option C loan from abroad, option D import payment. The correct option is option D import payment. Import requires expending foreign currency, not receiving it. Next question is, under a flexible exchange rate, a persistent current account deficit causes option A automatic appreciation, option B automatic depreciation, option C no change, option D granted capital inflow. The correct answer is option B automatic depreciation. More import than export leads depreciation. Next question is, a government maintaining a fixed exchange rate must primarily use option A fiscal policy, option B monetary policy, option C forex reserve, option D import quota. The correct option is option C forex reserve. Central bank intervenes using reserves. The next question is, when the rupee appreciates, which sector suffer the most? Option A export industry, option B import industry, option C consumers, option D central bank. The correct answer is option A export industry. A strong rupee make export expensive. Next question is, which item appears as a credit entry in the current account? Option A import of machinery, option B payment of insurance aboard, option C foreign tourist expanding in India, option D remittance abroad. The correct answer is option C foreign tourist spending in India. The next question is, a capital account deficit can occur when option A FDI increases, option B India repay loan, option C portfolio inflow rises, option D export increases. The correct answer is option B India repay loans. The next question is, an autonomous transaction is one carried out. Option A by central bank, option B for balancing BOP, option C for economic motives. Option D, during crisis. The correct answer is option C, foreign economic motives. Done voluntarily, not for the balance of payment correction. The next question is sale of foreign reserves by RBI is shown as option A negative entry, option B positive entry, option C capital outflow, option D current item. The correct answer is option B positive entry. Selling reserve by brings foreign currency in. The next question is if $1 equal to 75 changes to $1 equal to 82, then option A rupee appreciated, option B rupee depreciated, option C dollar weakness, option D import cheaper. The correct answer is option B rupee depreciated. More rupee per dollar leads depreciation. The next question is a rise in individual import leads to option A balance of payment surplus, option B balance of payment deficit, option C capital improvement, option D rupee appreciation. The correct answer is option B balance of payment deficit. Individual import drains currency. The next question is unilateral transfer are unique because option A require interest, option B no exchange of goods, option C always deficit, option D capital account. The answer is option B no exchange of goods. One way transfer. The next question is which is long term investment affecting control? Option A portfolio, option B fixed direct investment, option C AID, option D International Monetary Fund loans. The correct answer is option B FDI. FDI gives managerial influence. The next question is a spike in global oil price create balance of payment problem because oil export falls, oil import expensive, FDI rises, rupee appreciated. The correct answer is option B oil import expensive, India import crude oil heavily. The next question is flexible exchange rate reduce which cost for the central bank? Option A interest management, option B reserve maintenance, option C tax collection, option D import subsidy. The correct answer is option B reserve maintenance. No need to defend currencies constantly. Next question is a open economy benefits from competition because it option A reduces employment, option B forces innovation, option C decreases mobility, option D prevents specialization. The correct answer is option B forces innovation. Competency improve productivity. The next question is if India receive large foreign direct investment inflow, immediate effect is option A rupee depreciation, option B forex supply rises, option C import demand rises, option D trade surplus. The correct option B forex supply rises because foreign direct investment bring foreign money in economy. The next question is error and omission exist because option A rate fluctuation, option B, imperfect recording, option C, data manipulation, option D, high import. The correct answer is option B, imperfect recording. Reporting gap create imbalance. The next question is persistent balance of payment deficit under fixed rate eventually force. Option A, floating currency. Option B, rate reduction. Option C, export increases. Option D, printing money. The correct answer is option A, floating currency. Reserve gets depleted. The next question is under rupee depreciation who gain? Option A, foreign tourist. Option B, India exporter. Option C, student abroad. Option D, importer. The correct answer is option B, India exporter. Export become cheaper. The next question is a balance of payment surplus under flexible rate tends to. Option A, strengthen currency. Option B, weaken currency. Option C, no change. Option D, reduce inflow. The correct answer is option A, strengthen currency. If the balance of payment surplus, it show more inflow strengthen rupees. The next question is in capital account which show change in ownership. Option A, import service. Option B, foreign direct investment. Option C, gift. Option D, exports. The correct answer is FDI. FDI transfer control. The next question is a commodity entry in balance of payment exists. Option A, raise income. Option B, encourage investment. Option C, correct balance of payment. Option D, reduce exports. Answer is option C, correct balance of payment. The next question is least likely to cause balance of payment imbalance. Option A, oil prices. Option B, political instability. Option C, global fashion. Option D, excess rainfall. The correct answer is option D, excess rainfall. Weather rarely affect the balance of payment. The next question is importing high-tech service from US is option A, individual credit. Option B, individual debit. Option C, capital credit. Option D, transfer. The correct answer is option B, individual debit. The next question is portfolio investment unstable because. Option A, cannot withdraw. Option B, short-term speculation. Option C, government approval. Option D, managerial control. The correct answer is option B, short-term speculation, because in this investor can exit quickly. The next question is a fall in forex supply may occur when exports rise. Option B, investors withdraw. Option C, remittance rise. Option D, India gives a scholarship. The correct answer is option B, investor withdraw. In this, investor taking the money out reduce supply. The next question is under fixed rate, central bank buy forex mainly when. Option A, domestic currency appreciating. Option B, depreciating. Option C, imports exceed export. Option D, capital flight. The correct answer is option A, domestic currency appreciating. देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दोस्तों। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। कोई भी सवाल या राय हो तो नीचे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं। तो मिलते हैं अगली बार फिर एक नए वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।